the drummer they put me in front of
So it's a festival going on down here in Chattanooga.
Yeah. As well as this is one of my mentors as well. But music has and always will be an underlying current to our family. It binds us all together. Right? So it's universal that we all
So this is Saturday night in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and we're just cruising this road. There's Houston Street right there.
Free sticker.
Oh, thank you. What's the name of this road?
This is MLK.
MLK. Got it. Grassroots Health. That's the sticker. This has actually been shut off all day. This whole street's been closed off. Food is good. I gotta get some good food. That is high on my agenda. It's hungry time. They got a smokehouse over here. Oh, it's getting dark. Where's the street lights over here? Smells good though. Man. It's that smokehouse, Chat Smokehouse. They're twerking. Man. Oh, wiener chili dog. So from what I was told by an Uber driver, her name was Dixie, she told me that Chattanooga always finds a reason to dance and party. And I said, well, what's better, Chattanooga or Nashville? And she said Chattanooga, because everything's centrally located. Oh my gosh, what is this? What do we got going on over here? hot tamales, Mississippi hot tamales. Oh my gosh. What is this? Turkey? Holy moly. What is that? Turkey? Oh, sorry. I want to see what kind of turkey they got here. Oh, fried chicken. Oh my gosh. Chicken on a stick. Man, chicken on a stick. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Is that turkey?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Sweet. Yeah, back to what I was saying. In Chattanooga, they always find reason to party. So, that's what it's all about around here. This place here is called 40's Foul.
Yeah, that's
There's an apartment, Douglas Heights. You got a band going on over here. Detroit sausages. Man, so hungry. For real.
That's not. Hello?
So we got live band. Let's see, is it done or are they going? What's behind this? Oh, it's the back. Alright. So we cruise back over there, other side of the road now. Let's see if we can find some more good eats. See what's up with the food scene. Since that's what y'all want to see. Because I know that's what I want to see. Guys, if you enjoy videos like this, please do like the video and subscribe to Island Hopper TV. Going to Nashville next. Earlier today, I was out at Ruby Falls. It's this cavern waterfall. And it's natural under a mountain called Lookout Mountain. So pretty cool. You also get a really good view from Lookout Mountain. You can see how many mountains there are around here. And the mountains that are around here are the Appalachians. So it's the Appalachian Mountains. Might just do a chicken on a stick, but...
Say again, bro.
You just asked him how many he's had, how many drinks. Mr. Burrow Grill. Let's see what this is all about. I might just eat here. I know it's Mexican food, but looks good. How long is that line? Long line, so try another spot. Look good though, smells good. Plus I'm in the mood for some southern food, if I'm completely honest with you. Just I don't have any cash on me. They also have a place called Stone, I think it's called Stone City, something like that. And that's next to Ruby Falls on Lookout Mountain. Oh, they still pop locking down here. Chatty Smokehouse. This place smells good. Alright, what is this Odd Story Brewing? Do they serve food? Hey, how's it going? Alright, so they're open. Oh, thank you. Hello, are you guys serving food?
Yeah, we got like snacks and stuff. We don't have like food.
Oh, they don't have food?
We got like snacks. Snacks and beer too.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, I just got a quesadilla right now and this beer Oktoberfest here at this pub, so all good. Let's see how this goes.